very strict, pero siguro mas maganda na sa early age nila, alam nila yung ibig sabihin ko ring dentist.
Kasi di ba may mga parents na pinagbabawalan ng mga sweets, ganun pagbata?
Ay, hindi. Sa akin kasi parang lahat pwede, wag lang sobra. Parang bata pa rin sila, ibigay pa rin natin kung anong gusto nila. Kasi later on naman, lalaki din naman sila, so sila na bahala kung ano yung gagawin nilang todo or mag-hold back sila.
Can you remember yung first experience na dinala mo sila sa dentist?
Actually, parang mga bata pa talaga, literal. Parang okay naman sila. Siguro aware sila kasi kaming mag-asawa, talagang hindi pwedeng hindi kami nagdi-dentist. Lalo na sa trabaho namin.
Ikaw bata ka, yung dentist experience.
Hindi ka ba takot?
Hindi kasi si nanay, pinapaliwanag din niya sa akin. Siguro dun ko nakuha yun. Kailangan ipaliwanag sa anak mo kung bakit kailangan pumunta sa dentist.
Sabi mo nga kayo na ang ganda na tatakbo ng career mo. Anong feeling mo na malapit nang matapos yun by guardian?
Oo, tapusin na natin. Isang taon na namin ginagawa. Isang taon ko na ginagawa yun. Okay na yun.
Pero kung naging siga na miss with your kasama sa...
Oo, kasi siguro kung ang mamimiss ko doon, kasi hindi kami nagkatrabaho ni Max ever eh. Pero dahil dito, nakilala ko siya at happy ako na naging close yung friendship naming dalawa. Kasi sila Gabi, given na yan eh. Kaklose ko na yung mga yan. Si Kuya Gabi din, given na. But si Max kasi yung dati na medyo nung unang araw namin parang gumaganon sa akin. So alam mo yun, lang natapos kami na ang sarap na naging magkaibigan kami.
Maya, anong feeling mo? Ang daming achievements na kuha ng pelikula mo this year.
Oo nga eh.
Yung Rewind, anong feeling?
Sobra, taos-taos pusong pasasalamat sa mga tao talagang sumusuporta hanggang ngayon nagmamahal sa Rewind.
But is your reaction lang na parang yung mga sumunod na pelikula, hindi naging ganun kainit sa pagtanggap ng mga tao?
Ipagdadasal pa rin natin na mabuhay pa rin ang lahat ng pelikulang Pilipino kasi yun naman ang gusto natin, ang maibalik yan sa mga tao. And for sure siguro, babalik at babalik yan.
Speaking of, magkakaroon ka ba na uli ng movie for...
Meron akong Sinimalaya, Balota, so yun na muna ako.
And you're not excited for that?
Sobrang excited ako kasi dito ko nagawa lahat ng first time ko. No makeup, as in ayaw ni Direk naka-makeup. Tapos ito yung mga linyahan na hindi ko nagagawa sa soap opera at saka sa pelikula. Pangatlo, ito yung ruro ko yata na fight scene na hindi ako nagpa-double. Kaya ang dami-dami kong sugat. Okay lang, sabi ko nga, gagaling at gagaling din naman. Importante na bigay ko 100%.
So gusto mo gumawa ng action before?
Action, parang oo yata. After nito.
Ang action drama siya? Tama.
Super, parang may suspense, na action, na drama, na comedy.
Anong thoughts mo na sasali ka ng Sinimalaya? Kasi hindi.
Nakakakilig. Sabi ko nga parang ang sarap. Hindi ako nadadala na gumawa uli sa kanila. Doon sa na-experience ko kung paano ko ginawa yung Balota. Dahil doon gusto ko uli gumawa ng Sinimalaya.
Maria, ano na lang yung secrets for a happy marriage life? Kasi daming...
Ang hirap magbigay ng advice dahil wala ako sa posisyon. Pero siguro one thing is for sure, kailangan transparent kayo sa isa't isa. Mananaig pa rin ng love and trust. At higit sa lahat, kahit pagkasama-samahin mo yun, kung wala sa center nyo si Lord, nothing talaga lahat.
Pag may mga intriga, na-apekto pa kayo. Tatawanan na lang nyo.
Nakakatawa.
Nakakatawa. Last na lang, ano kung plano mag-film produce din kagaya nito?
Agosto 2 naman ako.
Kasama ka
Saling kit-kit.
Thank you.
Time to join us today to welcome the beautiful and ever smiling Maria Rivera as part of our CAD family. It really means a lot to us to see so many of you expressing your support for CAD and making this event so much more special. To Marian again, welcome to the CAD family. We are thrilled to have you in the family and we look forward to our upcoming ventures with you in promoting dental health and wellness in our family. To our dedicated team of CAD and our partners in making today's event possible, thanks you for your hard work and commitment. To our guests from the media, we truly appreciate your presence and support. We hope that you enjoyed today's event and everything that we prepared for you. Lastly, I want to extend my gratitude to all our patients, clients who trust us with their dental care. It is because of your continued support that we are inspired to strive for excellence every day. Let us all continue to work together to promote healthy smiles and a brighter future. Thank you again and enjoy the rest of the day. God bless.
Thank you so much, Doc Nelda, for that amazing message. All right, so what an incredible afternoon it has been welcoming Miss Marian as the newest member of the CAD family. And to our amazing media friends and influencers, Please don't forget to use the hashtags #Marian for CAD and #YouCADSmileLikeMarian. Again, that's #Marian for CAD and #Marian YouCADSmileLikeMarian. All right. So, thank you a lot to share this.
Commercial, close-up commercial, that's how we started. And then they liked our service, and then yeah, word of mouth na, and then they featured us in Preview Magazine, si Agu Bengzon, and then si Blue Carrion, if you remember him, I don't know, from what's his magazine?
Tatler.
Yeah. And then I guess that's it, no?
Word of mouth.
Yeah.
And the rest was history.
The rest was history. That's how we started.
Yeah.
It
So
was
it
just
was from a
small,
humble beginning.
it was just a small clinic with one chair. Like, oh my God, talagang. Thank you,
It was,
Lord.
exceeded expectations,
Yeah.
really. And then, the rest was history. Word of mouth, and then we got to transfer to BGC. And then from there, we had another branch in Green Hills. And then so forth and so on. So hopefully we can share with you our future plans later. Or share with you. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Doc Nelda and Doc Mia. Well, actually, the next question is supposed to be for Doc Mia or Doc Lito. How did Marian Rivera come to be selected as part of the CAD family? What do you think are her best qualities that perfectly embody CAD as an institution?
Well, actually, talagang fan na fan lang kami ni Miss Marian. Yun lang talaga yung
We love her. We've been waiting for her.
Sabi nga namin, Marian completes CAD. That's it. Tapos na kami. Thank you, Lord.
Game over.
Thank you, Marian.
Awesome. Ngayon, I have a few questions for the newest member of the CAD family, Miss Marian Rivera. Miss Marian, what sets apart the Center for Advanced Dentistry, apart in terms of dental care, and what made you say yes to CAD and joining the CAD family?
Parang hindi ka makakano sa kanila. Kasi pag nakita mo yung service nila, parang sorry gusto kita i-correct kanina. Siguro hindi lang for the stars or artista yung kailangan nila i-service. Parang sa lahat ng mga tao gustong magkaroon ng magandang ngiti araw-araw. Diba? Nandito yung CAD para sa inyo. At the same time, siguro parang necessity na to sa isang tao na kailangan pangalagaan natin ang ating mga ngipin. Siyempre, kailangan nag-visit tayo talaga sa dentist. Para sa person, hindi para sa ibang tao, para sa sarili natin. Kasi yun yung magbibigay kumpiyansa sa'yo. Araw-araw kapag nakikipag-usap ka sa mga tao, or nasa trabaho ka man, or nasa mga mahal mo sa buhay, diba? Gusto mo ibigay yung the best of the best para sa kaharap mo. At yun yung mga mahal mo sa buhay.
I love that. Thank you so much. So, as a mother, how important do you think dental care is for your children?
Super! Kasi ngayon pa lang,